A common transformer operates on alternating current. Transformer converts both current and voltage. Transformer device to convert low voltage AC into high voltage AC and high voltage AC into low voltage AC. Transformer cannot be made with an integrated circuit. The filament of electric bulb is made of material tungsten. The material most suitable making filament of incandescent bulb is tungsten. The power of electric bulb of resistance 18 ohm if no voltage is applied 0 volt. The property required for a material to be filament of electric bulb high sensitivity. The gases used to fill electric bulb are air and N2. A battery illuminates a bulb. What type of conversion occurs in this process? Chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. To maintain the current in electric circuit, the cell has to spend chemical energy stored in it. Battery capacity is expressed in amperic hour. A traditional battery contains sulfuric acid chemicals. Fleming right hand rule can be determine the direction of induced current when the angle between magnetic field and motion of current is 90 degree. Magnetic field lines inside the bar magnet are directed from south pole to north pole. The direction of magnetic field produced by current carrying solenoid is parallel to axis of solenoid. The process of producing an induced current by changing magnetic field is called electromagnetic induction. The magnitude of force that acts on the arms of armature is maximum when length of arm are perpendicular to magnetic field. The presence of magnetic field can be determined by magnetic needle. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction occurs due to change in magnetic flux over through the coil. The rectangular coil is having a uniform magnetic field. The action of magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of coil. If the speed of moving coil in the magnetic field decreases, then induced potential difference decreases. Formulated the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation, James Clerk Maxwell. Process by which potential energy can be produced in the coil involves relative motion of coil and magnet. Electromagnetic induction in phenomenon occurs when in moving magnet induces an EMF in closed loop of conductor. When bar magnet is used as source of constant magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field is from north pole to south pole of the magnet. If the number of turns in solenoid increases, then magnetic field increases. Magnetic field lines never cross each other. The fact implies that magnetic field always have a unique value at a point in space. The direction of magnetic field can be obtained from tangent drawn at any point in magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines at north pole of magnet are line emerging from the pole. Direction of rotation of armature of motor can be found with the help of Fleming left hand rule. When magnetic field is acting towards north and current moving to east to west, the conductor will move in the diagonal direction. Induced EMF in a coil during phenomenon of electromagnetic induction directly proportional to rate of change in magnetic flux.